Now, if you've ever watched my channel for any length of time, you know I like having backups of things. Mixers, microphones, compressors, cameras, just the whole nine. I really hate knowing that if something hits the bucket, I can't replace it right away. So when my Alto ZMX 5.2 bit the dust a few months back, and we still haven't figured out what's wrong with this, I knew that I had to get another mixer, and unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 crisis, Amazon became A, bare bones dry, and B, for the stuff they did have, it went sky high in terms of price. It went up almost 200 to 300% in some instances. So recently, this Alto mixer, Alto is my brand of choice, by the way, that's why I got this one. This Alto mixer finally came in stock, and I decided to upgrade off the ZMX 52 and get the next one up, which is the ZMX 862. And the reason why I got this is because it's 6 channels, and it actually can support 2 microphones, which for a concept idea I've been trial testing in my office, I needed the second microphone input. So while I could have done it with the line integrations, it's just easier if I have another XLR input so I don't have to order new cables, because I really don't save much money here in Canada if I go the cable route as opposed to just buying the mixer route. I already own a bazillion XLR cables, so I figured may as well just go that way. But let's take a look here and just see what's inside. So we got our power supply, and we have the mixer and the manual. It's a very bare bones system when you get Alto stuff. They don't give you USB cables or anything like that. Now, mind you, I shouldn't need USB cables because Alto mixers are not USB based. They're normal channel, so you have to run it through, you know, your sound card. But that's exactly what I want because I use a USB interface like a Scarlett 2i2 in many of my setups. So I don't really care about that. And if anything, I actually don't want USB based. I want this style of mixer. And these are actually becoming a little bit harder to find at the normal price point. You can get them in the multi-hundreds, but around the $100 range, a lot of things come with USB, and it's very, very annoying. But yeah, this is it though. This is the whole thing. Just a manual. You have a manual here. Let's see here. We have the manual, the power supply, and the mixer. But as you can see, the mixer supports 2 XLRs and a whole bunch of other channels. You have your ins and outs. You have your RCAs. It's a great mixer. I've been using a ZMX 122FX for the last 7 years. And that's why I went with the 52, because it was only $70 in Alto. It bit the dust, and I'll replace it at some point. Well, I guess I replaced it now, but I'll replace this proper one with another 52 later on. And I decided to upgrade. That way I can do some more stuff in my studio with my backup computer. And that is why I went with this. But yeah, there you go. Very simple unboxing, but that is more of a, I guess, praise for Alto because I just love these mixers. I love their quality. It's so great. I've never had issues with them outside of like, you know, random dying, but this is also a very cheap mixer versus like the other ones which are more expensive and have higher quality parts in them. But there you guys go. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.